So after installing replacing the HDD with M.2 drive, this is what I'm getting on this interface, and this is what I'm getting on this interface. This is because of secure boot. I believe this is also going to be because of secure boot, and I already left the HDD in there. So now I have to do the settings in BIOS. So what I'm going to do is that now I went to Control or Delete. It's going to boot up. I'm going to go to F9. It's HP F9 to boot menu. I'm not going to go to the boot menu again. It's going to the boot menu, but I'm supposed to go to the BIOS. So let's set up. So now I've changed it to the setup, and I'm going to do the setup in here. I'm just going to go here and then go to boot, and this is the boot. I'm going to come down, and you can see from here my drive is first the CD-ROM. I don't need a CD-ROM. I need this one, the M.2 SATA drive. I got to move it forward, but first of all, I'm going to enable this guy. It's already disabled. I'm going to enable legacy. So I'm going to get the boot option here. Okay, and I can find secure boot configuration here. I go in here, go here. See it. Legacy support disabled. I can enable legacy and disable secure boot. So I'm going to go to the first one, enter. And I'm going to go to F10 here. It's going to save it. And yes. Enter. It's gonna restart, and restart I'm gonna press the F9 for boot menu now. Later I'm gonna come to this machine, but for now let me finish with this guy here. So I want it to boot. Okay, so I'm gonna press this number in here, 141450 here, and then enter. Okay, so we're gonna go here, secure boot. Now you see we booting from the drive. This is good. And I'm going to Windows 11 here, normal, and we got this guy. Enter. It's gonna boot, and let's come to this guy. We're gonna reset it like that. Control or Delete, and then Control or Delete. The keyboard is not connected. Oh my. So okay, this one is coming. We're gonna go to next. Come here. Okay, so here is booting. We're gonna go to exit. Yes, and we're gonna go F9. It's gonna boot from the HDD. I don't want it to boot from the HDD. So over here we're gonna go. We don't want to repair. We want to install Windows. We're gonna come down and agree. I'm not using a mouse, so it's a bit difficult and slow, but I'm gonna get it done. So here we don't have the keys right now, so we're gonna go here and accept. We're gonna find the M.2 drive, which is 250 gigabyte, and that is what we're gonna install Windows on. So let's do this. Yes, Windows 11 Pro. Accept. Here we go. Accept. And then it's gonna come. We're gonna select. That is it. This is the drive. You see it? This is the drive. So we're gonna go to next. You can choose to create, but if you go to next, we're gonna install it anyway. Yes. And then it's gonna install Windows on it. Yes, install, and then it's gonna start 5%, and it's gonna go on. This guy boot from the HDD because I didn't remove the HDD on this machine. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna off it. My phone is getting low, so we're gonna do it later than 9%, 10%. It's an M.2 drive, so it's gonna be very fast. That's great, very fast.